So previous class रे हम स्टडी करिथिले that is called gametogenesis or spermatogenesis part सेटा मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन थिला आज हम डिस्क्राइब करबा another long question से gametogenesis रो पार्ट that is called oogenesis very important part that is called oogenesis spermatogenesis that is called formation of spore oogenesis that is called formation of ovum from the primary germ cells and it occurs in the ovary spermatogenesis process occurs in the testis and oogenesis process occurs in the ovary. So this is a process by which ova are formed from the primary germ cells of the ovary. It is divided into three phases. Particularly our ovary ro jo rahi primary germ cell ru ovum ta formation hobo that is called oogenesis and it is divided into three phases. Similarly, the spermatogenesis it is divided into three phases: phase of multiplication, phase of growth, and phase of maturation. It is a similar process that oogenesis occurs in three phases: phase of multiplication, phase of growth, and phase of maturation. So first, in the phase of multiplication, in the spermatogenesis, what are the occurs? Now the primary germ cells have repeated mitotic divisions and produce spermatogonia. Similarly, in the ovary, the primary germ cells that contains diploids and it repeated mitotic divisions and it produce oogonia or egg mother cells. Primary germ cell ro mitotic division first hela, tapare next ho repeated mitotic divisions. Repeated mitotic division hole se formation of oogonia. So these are called oogonia. तापर नेक्स्ट होची फेज ऑफ ग्रोथ रे कोन होतिना साइज इंक्रीज हो जो oogonia फॉर्मेशन इतला फेज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन रे फेज ऑफ ग्रोथ रे तर साइज इंक्रीज हो केमति साइज इंक्रीज हो ना ड्यू टू द ऑब्जर्विंग अदर न्यूट्रिएंट्स इन द सेल्स द साइज इज इंक्रीज एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड प्राइमरी oocyte. Similarly spermatogenesis is same idea that is called primary spermatocyte idea, so that is called oogenesis, so this is called primary oocyte. Next page, phase of maturation रे हम meiosis process होची it occurs in two phase, first maturation division and second maturation division. First maturation division रे primary oocyte का formation होची बीटा haploids that is called one is a larger cell that is called secondary oocyte, another is the smaller cell that is called first polar body. Polar body means it contains little amount of cytoplasm and it does not takes process in the reproduction process and it is soon degenerate. So spermatogenesis ro phase of maturation re primary oocyte ro first maturation division hela pore first dita haploid cell formation ro gote larger cell and gote smaller cell. Larger cell is called secondary oocyte and smaller cell is called first polar body. तापर नेक्स्ट सेकंड मैच्योरेशन डिवीजन रे सेकंडरी oocyte रो फॉर सेकंड मैच्योरेशन डिवीजन रे से तो बीटा सेल इक्वल नंबर ऑफ सेल भाइयो कारण meiosis टू दा mitosis, so that is called one is the mature ovum, another is the second polar body. Similarly in the first polar body the second maturation division it is formed two additional polar body means it contains little amount of cytoplasm, it does not take part process in the oogenesis and it finally degenerates. So last one is the mature ovum is formed and this ovum take part in the fertilization process and it is fertilized with the sperm and it is converted into the zygote. So this is the diagrammatic representation of oogenesis. First oogenesis the process होची it occurs in the ovary. Oogenesis means the formation of ovums and oogenesis occurs in three phases: phase of multiplication, phase of growth and phase of maturation. Phase of multiplication the primary germ cells are repeated mitotic divisions, they are produced oogonia or egg mother cell, and in the growth phase it is size is increased due to the absorbing other nutrients and it is called primary oocyte, and in the phase of maturation the primary oocyte is the first maturation division. It occurs two parts, the larger cell that is called secondary oocyte and the smaller cell is called the first polar body, and the secondary oocyte is again second maturation division and it is converted into mature ovum and a second polar body, and the polar body is converted into additional two polar body. Polar body it contains little amount of cytoplasm it does not take part in the process in the oogenesis, and one natural ovum is formed from the one primary germ cell. But in the spermatogenesis, one primary germ cell produce 4 spermatids or 4 sperm. But in oogenesis, one primary germ cell produce 1 ovum, and this ovum take part in the process that is called fertilization, and it is fertilized with the sperm and it is converted into zygote. So this is the whole process of oogenesis. Thank you.